Hello, crypto family. This is Hutch Nast. I wanted to let you know that Terrarium is now registered as a business in India, which I think is very important to help legitimize some of the smaller projects in general, where they go ahead and actually form a business. I'll get into that a little bit more, but I wanted to talk about the numbers real quick. Ticker symbol TERA, TERA, is down today 5.6% to the 8037 range. Now that's fallen in line with the market right now. BTC, Bitcoin, is down 4.13%. Ethereum is down 3.43%. And Shiba Inu is down 7.44%. Seems like the market's just continuing to pull back from really big gains over the last couple weeks. It seemed like I would call it at least a mini bull market over the last few weeks, and it seems like we're just kind of getting a pullback, a slight correction right now. I would like to know why nobody ever calls these things corrections when they're going up, but I mean, they could have probably done that with stocks after like the COVID-19 outbreak when the floor fell out. But anyway, so Terrarium tweeted out important announcement. At Terrarium is now registered in India as Terrarium Digital India Services Private Limited. Head office is in Chennai. I don't know how to say it. Tamil Nadu. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Let me know in the comments how to say that phonetically if you happen to know. That's in India. They went on to say more news incoming shortly. And I really do believe that that's a step in the right direction to help legitimize some of these smaller projects, because really anybody could create a cryptocurrency. And right now, with all the rug pulls that we've seen, especially with this new wave of crypto, so the big crash of 2019, like the new wave, like 2020, 2021, and where we're at now, I think that we're seeing more than ever people being duped or buy into a project and get stuck in it. I'm not saying that's every cryptocurrency, but I am saying that this is a problem that's not going to go away. And when a crypto goes ahead and creates themselves as a company, I really feel a lot more strongly that something like a rug pull wouldn't happen. Now, there's never any guarantees in the markets. There's never any guarantees that the price is going to go up on anything. And really, like in essentially speculative markets, we're trying to judge the past to help predict the future, which there isn't necessarily any correlation. I mean, that goes even down to like the S&P 500, like, well, it's returned this much in the last whatever, and every year yes, that's a safer bet because history shows that it's gone up. But that doesn't mean that this couldn't be a turning point in history at any point in time. Especially, I mean, living in a post-COVID-19 outbreak. I mean, if you told me 10 years ago that they were going to shut every business down, one state at a time in the United States over an illness, I'd be like, that happens in other countries. That doesn't happen here. That's actually what I would have told you. Like, if you told me that we were going to wear masks and stuff, like, I would just be like, that's something that happens in countries that aren't here. Illness doesn't really kill people in the United States that are young and healthy. That's what I would have said. So I'm just saying, I personally think crypto is going to continue going up, especially the big boys, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum. But I want people to be careful and realize that, like, just because it did in the past doesn't mean it will ever in the future necessarily. So, and the larger cap coins, I think, are a lot less risky than the lower cap. That's just my hot take. I don't know why it's important for me to say I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know if it's illegal for me to talk about this stuff or something, but I don't have a degree in it. I don't have a license or anything. But at any rate, that's my hot take on the scenario. I think Terrarium's making moves in the right direction. This has been Hutch Nast, and I'm about to start my second cup. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Always good hanging out.